The next one, you look at the same example, right? Adaptive radiation. The first example we ever saw was Darwin's finches. The finch species of the Galapagos Islands are grouped according to their food source. So why did this happen? Why did this evolution happen? The evolution happened because they had some structure, but they had altered needs according to their habitat. Certain habitats they had a lot of vegetation, so the finches were vegetarian. Other habitats they had more insects to eat, they become insectivorous. That is why this altered beaks arose. So which of the following is not a finch food? So basic thing was food. So what was not? So what are the types we saw? First is vegetarian. So tree buds and seeds are vegetarian. So that is out. Then we saw insectivorous. Insectivorous, so see, insects are obviously edible thing for them. So we come to carrion. Now what is carrion? Carrion basically means eating or dead animal carrion. So they were obviously not eating dead animals, right? They were insectivorous. Can't be. Finch species of Galapagos are grouped according to their food sources. What is the following is not a finch food. Decline Darwin's finches show adaptive radiation. This radiation occurred in response to various food resources and they feed on insect, tree buds, seeds, and cactus. Carrion मैंने आपको बताया decaying and dead bodies होते हैं and no finches.